Hello, welcome everyone, and welcome to everyone of class 11th students. I hope you people are doing well. As you can see in the title, that today we are going to begin the next topic, which is relations and functions, chapter number 2. I hope the previous chapter you must have completed properly. Can you assure me about your audio and video that you people are receiving? Students, can you assure me about audio and video which you people are receiving? Let us check. Yeah, some lagging is there. Okay. I'll take some minutes to see this issue. Stay tuned. Yeah, students. Again, we have started streaming. Can you assure us about audio and video? Students? Right. Now, can you assure about audio and video? Yes, it is still lagging. Okay. Okay. I think still there are some issues regarding the setting. Let me see. Let me look into it. Is there anyone who is receiving a proper audio and video? Students, is there anyone who is receiving proper audio and video? So much lagging. I think before we start our session, let me correct this issue, because otherwise you will not understand this. Hello students, I hope now it is corrected and you people must be receiving a proper quality audio and video. Assure me in the live chat if you are receiving good quality audio and video, please. Students, can you assure me in the live chat that you people are receiving good quality audio and video? Now it is correct? Good. Right. Welcome everyone in this new chapter, in this new session, and I hope that you people must have completed and understood your previous topic, which was set theory. Right, students? Okay. Now, as you can see in the title, today's topic of discussion is our very important chapter number 2, which is relations and functions. Fine. Relations and functions. Very nice. Yes, students. Yes. Now, tell me whether audio and video both are double voice. Voice is not clear. Let me look into it. Right, that's what I was asking. That whether it is proper or not. So let me look into it. Let me see whether it is proper or not. So double voice is coming. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, students. Yeah, students. High background voice. Is it, students? Is it now okay? Yes, students. Is it now okay? Is it now okay? Clear? Gaurav Sharma is saying. Good. Vishesh Raghava, no sir, not clear. No, it's still not clear. Yes, sir. Okay, I will. Background voice is coming. Some people are telling clear and some people are telling not clear. Can somebody assure me properly that actually what is the issue? Let me see. Still some issue is there. Let me see. I hope now it should be clear. Now it should be clear. Now it should be perfect. Is it? Can somebody assure? Now it is clear. Tanmay Meena, right? Yes, sir. Good. Vishesh has said. पहले विशेष ने बोला था कि now clear. Very nice. Thank you, student, for your cooperation and first class with you people. It is with me. So I'm happy to meet with you all, and really this lockdown has troubled us, both of us, you and me both, a lot. So through online means only we can get connected, no issue. We'll manage good. Happy that you people are writing it perfect. Students, कुछ बातें शुरू में ही हम लोग डिसाइड कर लेते हैं that maths work is lengthy and lot of work is there. So unless we properly plan it, we will not be able to complete it regularly, timely and perfectly. So I would request you one thing, that with our ongoing class itself, that please keep your notebook ready, your textbook ready, and your whatever is possible, let us keep writing the things, right? As we discuss many things, as I write the things on board, concept, questions we will discuss. So those questions, whatever is possible, please write as you do in the regular class. Okay, I hope you have understood. Keep your notebook ready, textbook ready. Do not write in rough. Strongly recommended, do not write in rough, because if you write in rough, you have to again do it afterwards, which will consume more time. So not needed. I am assuming that you people are right now sitting in front of me and you are writing in your notebooks. Please write. Okay, so let us revise the things what we have discussed in previous chapter. You have discussed set. What is a set? Can somebody write in live chat? What is a set? And these things are new. In class 10th or in previous classes, this concept was not there. So what is a set? Can somebody write in live chat? What is a set? Collection. Well defined collection. Let me appraise Kuldeep Shakyawal. Well defined collection of objects. Correct. Set is a well defined collection. Well defined collection of objects. Of objects, elements, numbers, articles, whatever. Okay. And there in chapter 1 we discussed many specific terms like equal sets, right? We disjoint, many operations we discussed. Disjoint sets you saw, complement of a set you saw. Element, what do we mean by belong to symbol? What do we mean by saying element? What is the meaning of subset, power set? Many things we discussed, and many operations you discussed, you saw in chapter 1, like union, intersection, subtraction and difference, symmetric difference. These operations you discussed in chapter 1. So there, related with these things, many more things are there. So today, as you can see from the name of the chapter, relations and function, there are two topics actually. Functions, which is very, very important, because many things, many other chapters, and even in class 12th syllabus also, many things are based on functions. So this topic is super important. We'll discuss it. To understand function, first we should understand relation. And before understanding relation, there is one more topic called as Cartesian product. Cartesian product. So first of all, we have to understand what is a Cartesian product. Let us suppose, let A and B are two sets, then their Cartesian product is denoted and defined as the notation we use is A cross B, right? Suppose A and B two sets were there, then the notation for writing Cartesian product is used as A cross B, and this is defined as set of these kinds of elements, right? Such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. This is the way how we write Cartesian product of two sets. A cross B is a collection of this thing. The two elements writing in small bracket is called as, parenthesis is called as ordered pair. Ordered pair. Right? What we call? We call it ordered pair. Pair, because there are two things written in a bracket, two things, that's why pair. Ordered, yeah, ordered, because order is important. This A comma B means A should come first and B should come second. You cannot write it in the other manner. Okay, where the first element is small a belongs to capital A set, which is the first set I have written, and the other element is small b comes from capital B set. So this is called as Cartesian product of two sets. This you can close in box, you can keep in mind wherever somebody asks you what is Cartesian product, this definition is to be told. One more thing, students, that this abstract algebra, you know, this topic, this first chapter and second chapter comes in the branch of mathematics called as abstract algebra or modern algebra, also we call it sometimes. So these things here in this topics, first chapter, second chapter, definition is very important. Definition we have to keep remember, and once we know the definition, maximum things will be possible, right students? Okay, now let us see some example that actually what do we mean. Let us see some example. These examples also you can write in your notebook. Suppose let A is a set containing A and B, small a small b, and let B is another set containing 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then A cross B, if you want to find, the definition says it contains ordered pairs, right? Kaise ordered pairs? In which first element comes from the first set and the second element comes from second set. So you write all possible combinations. So first place I am taking A, and second place I have various options. So let me take one, A1 or A2 or A3, right? First place पे मैंने freeze कर दिया small a को, B पे मैंने rotate करा दिया. Or there can be one more way, that first place contains B and the second place is occupied by 1 or B2 or B3, right? So I think it is not visible. Let me write in the straight line. Or it can be B1, B2 or B3, and that's it. I think no more combination is possible, right students? Okay, now how many ordered pairs are there? Can somebody tell me how many ordered pairs you can see? Because we are going to write a theorem. 6, good, absolutely 6 ordered pairs are there. Ordered pair means we have to count it 1. This is one ordered pair, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. Total 6 ordered pairs are there. Good. Now, how many numbers are there? How many elements are there in A? 2. In B, there are 3. Right. So, here there is a theorem. Okay. Here there was 2 elements, here 3, 2 into 3 is 6, and A cross B also contains 6 elements, right? So this is not a coincidence, there is a theorem actually, that for A and B finite sets, if they are, then a number of elements in A cross B, n of A cross B is equal to n of A multiplied with n of B. Okay students, n of A means number of elements in set A. So this is the theorem, right? Now there are some more examples, and of course this is valid for finite sets only. Suppose set A is infinite, the number of elements तो वहाँ पे infinity हो गए, तो infinity equal to infinity का कोई sense नहीं है, वो कोई equation नहीं है. That's why this theorem is there only for finite sets. Limited number of elements should be there in A and B. Okay, nice. Now some more examples, let us see. One more example, that let capital A is equal to closed interval 1 comma 2. Okay, and capital B is equal to 3, only one element. So A cross B will be how much? You imagine, if you want, you can show it on the XY plane as well. See, when XY plane means this A set will be shown on X axis, this is convention, and this B set will be shown on Y axis. Okay, right. Now capital A, only two elements will not come. Some students are writing 2, 2. I think ये close interval है. Close interval you must have seen. हाँ, अभी दिखाते हैं कि close interval में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं. नहीं, सिर्फ इतने ही नहीं आएंगे. Sumit and many more will come actually. See, I show you how. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, है ना? और ये y axis पे this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. तो y axis पे सिर्फ 3 ये एक एलिमेंट है. x axis पे क्या है? ये 1 से लेके 2 तक का ये पूरा इंटरवल है. ये 1 से लेके 2 तक का ये पूरा इंटरवल है. So 1,3 will come. This is darkened, right? 1.1,3 will come. This is also, see, closed interval 1,2 means all the elements between 1 and 2, including the boundary elements which are 1 and 2. तो 1 है, 2 है और 1 और 2 के बीच के सारे रियल नंबर्स भी यहाँ पे भरे पड़े हैं. ठीक है, तो उसका जब मैंने 3 के साथ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनाया तो 1,3, 1.1,3, 1.2,3 और बीच में बहुत इनफाइनाइट मैनी नंबर्स, 3, many things will come. So 1.1,3, 1.2,3 and 1.5,3 and 1.9,3 and 2,3, right? Like this it will come. Like this it will come. Right, students? This is. Now, if you, this is the geometrical representation. This is one more example. This is example 2, let us see. Let A is equal to closed interval 1, 2 and B is equal to closed interval 3, 4. ठीक है. Now, जब तक मैं अपनी बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, आप भी ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश कीजिए अपनी नोटबुक में, और अगर आपको समझ आया तो आप लाइव चैट में लिखिएगा. तो ये हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? दिस ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. दिस क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विल बी shown by a line segment. Now if you want to show A cross B, for this example let us see. Let us see that for this example, if you want to show A cross B, this is 1, 2, this is 3, 4. Right. So what ordered pairs it will come? It will contain A cross B will contain 1, 3, isn't it? 1 x axis पे, 1, 2 x axis पे और 3, 4 y axis पे. So this will come, you know, 1,3.1 will come, 1,4 will also come, isn't? I think these all lines will come. Here also 2,3 will come, 2,4 will come, 2,3.5 will come. The direct full line will come. 1.1, 3 will also come, and many more. Is this a rectangle? Is this a rectangle? And I'm leaving for you people to check and decide that whether this will be a rectangle or not, to verify, right? If you collect all ordered pairs, जितने भी possible combination हो सकते हैं. हाँ, closed interval का meaning ध्यान में रखना. Closed interval का meaning होता है ना, जैसे ये 1, 2 था, तो ये 1 और 2 ही नहीं, इसके बीच के सारे elements भी closed interval, है ना. Square, sorry, rectangle नहीं, square, because दोनों का length और width एक ही है. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेकिन उससे पहले एक और एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं, और वो मुझे लगता है कि अब आप लोग बता सकते हैं. चलो A ले लेता हूं मैं, कुछ भी. लेट एग्जाम्पल, लेट कैपिटल A इज R, पूरा रियल लाइन ले लिया, एंड कैपिटल B इज क्लोज इंटरवल 3, 4. तो बताओ अगर मैं A क्रॉस B लूं तो क्या ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर आएगी, है ना, बताओ फटाफट। और इसी तरह another example, if I take, let A is equal to 1 comma 2 on closed interval and B is equal to real line, if I take, then what geometrical figure you will get writing A cross B? If you please draw in your notebook and tell me that what will you get, geometrical figure, name of the geometrical figure, and good if you can write before we draw it on board. A is R, so A means x-axis full will come real line. B contains 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and this is my 4. This is 4, right? Okay. So R means this is R cross 3, 4. So 0, 3 will come. This is 0, 0, 3 will come. 1, 3 will come. 2, 3 will come. 5, 4, 3 will come, minus 1, 3 will come, minus 2, 3 will come, this horizontal line will come, fine, है ना, और सिर्फ 3 क्यों, 4 also, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, minus 1, 4, many things will come, है ना, if all those points if you join, put it there, darken them and join, it will be a line, isn't it, and why these 3 and 4, 3.5 से भी combination banega, because 3.5 is also there, 3.1 is also there, 3.9 is also there, so many lines, horizontal lines will come, isn't it, and if you draw them all, what will you get? What will you get, students? Parallel line or a set of lines? What should we call it? Parallel lines, yes, we call it strip. We get a strip or horizontal strip also, you can say horizontal strip you will get, right? The other one, set of parallel lines can be said, right? Sir, please repeat example 2. Ye wala, Irshad, ye wala example. Set of lines, set of lines, yes. Right, so now I would request you people to draw the geometrical shape for this another example, and horizontal strip between 3 and 4, of course, you are right, Adhyansh, you are right. So till I am taking 1 minute to get ready with exercise 2.1, I would request that tell me, draw in the other example in your notebooks and tell me that what should be the geometrical shape for the other example in the right side. If someone can tell me, I'll be happy. Anyone? For the other example, if somebody can write the answer, and please write. Vertical strip कहाँ से पास हो रही है वो भी तो बताओ, हैं? वो भी तो बताओ, students. Right? People are writing vertical strip between 1 and 2. See, A means this set is 1 and 1, 2. This is 1, this is 2, and B is R. B is full R. Right? So 1, many vertical lines from 1 will pass, from 2 it will pass, and Y between from 1 and 2 it will pass in between also. I hope many people are writing the answer. I will request the other students also to please check and find out that whether the answers that these people are writing are right or not. Now, before we come to the next topic, which is relation, please get ready with your textbook, because one more topic let us discuss. Relation, and after that we will come to exercise, NCERT exercise. Okay, now relation, but before that one more note actually, and this note is actually a question, that A cross B and B cross A. What do you feel? Whether they are same thing? Let me open the live chat. Whether they are same thing? Yeah, many people have written the answer. I'm happy that it means you have understood. Now, A cross B and B cross A, are they same? भाई देखो, फाइनली वो जो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर था उसने क्या रिप्रेजेंट किया? कोऑर्डिनेट्स रिप्रेजेंट किए, पॉइंट्स के, राइट? है ना भाई? सपोज A is 1, 2, 2 elements and B is 3, only one element, then A cross B will be 1, 3, 2, 3. These are what? These are coordinates of points. Points where? Points on xy plane. On xy plane. Correct. And if you reverse the coordinates, 1, 3, if you write 3, 1, it will show different point, isn't it? Wait, 1, 3 is this point, while 3, 1 is this point. Both are different. So if you find out B cross A, here B cross A, if you find, it will become 3, 1 and 3, 2. And for two sets to be equal, each and every element should be equal. All ordered pairs should be equal respectively. But this is not the case. So that's why A cross B is not same as B cross A. Yes, many people have written no, they are not equal. Very right. And we can say, agar wo equal hote, then we would have said that Cartesian product follows commutative law. But because they are not equal, so Cartesian product is not commutative. So this also we can say in words that Cartesian product is not commutative. Is not commutative. है ना? आप क्या नहीं, मैं तो A ये वाला लूँगा, 1 और 2 मैं ये लूँगा, B लूँगा मैं ये 10, तो आप नहीं, इसको भी मैं 1 ले लेता हूँ, है ना? इसको भी मैं 1, 2 ले लेता हूँ, इसको भी 1, 2 ले लेता हूँ. अब आप कहेंगे निकालो A क्रॉस B एंड निकालो B क्रॉस A, when both will become equal, है ना? तो आप कहेंगे कि नहीं, मैं तो दिखा दूंगा इक्वल है. तो मैंने कहा कि नॉट कम्यूटेटिव इन जनरल, है ना? जनरली A क्रॉस B इज नॉट सेम एज B क्रॉस A. अब A और B कुछ है पर्टिकुलर ऐसे एलिमेंट्स कि A क्रॉस B इक्वल टू B क्रॉस है A है, तो वो बस एक पर्टिकुलर केस है. सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल में ऐसा हो रहा है, देन वी कैन नॉट से दैट इट इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल केसेस. जनरली A क्रॉस B इज नॉट इक्वल टू B क्रॉस A. Right, so this is about Cartesian product. Now let us discuss that what is a relation. Relation. Again we have to start with two sets A and B. Let A and B are two sets. Any two sets, maybe finite, maybe infinite. Then a relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. And let me write the name of the relation. Let a relation, then a relation capital R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Let me use the notation of subset. R is a subset of A cross B. Right? Now if anyone asks you that what is a relation, then you can say relation is a subset of A cross B. Relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Okay, let us see some example. Because it is good to understand with the help of example. Let us see some example. Let capital A is any set containing some element, suppose 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let capital B is another set containing A, B, suppose. Right. Then let us find out A cross B. You know, when A cross B will contain 3 into 2, 6 elements, right? And it will have 1 comma A, 2 comma B. Sorry, let me write in sequence. 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, and 3 comma A, 3 comma B. Right? Somebody tell me in the live chat that how many subsets will exist. Somebody tell me in the live chat that how many of subset of A cross B will exist. Tell me. 6. No. Elements नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking how many subsets of A cross B will exist. How many subsets of A cross B will exist? Infinite? No. Wrong answer. 2 into 6? No. 2 raised to power 6. Tanmay Meena is saying is absolutely right answer. Divakar saying no. 16 is not the right answer. कुलदीप शाकेवाल 2 raised to power 6. आपने जो पावर वहां पे लिखा है वो मुझे अच्छा लगा कुलदीप. Nice. 2 raised to power 6 is the Praved. 64. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. There is a theorem, students, that if number of elements in set A is small n, then number of subsets equal to 2 raised to power n. There is a theorem. So how many subsets will exist? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to power 6 equal to 64 subsets will be there. Right? The smallest one will be 5. And then set containing one element, one ordered pair, containing 2 ordered pairs, containing all the ordered pairs will be in the end. Okay? These all will be set A cross B itself. So every subset is some relation from A cross B. Phi is also a relation from A to B. A cross B itself is also a relation from A cross B. There is a from A to B. There is a name for phi. This is called as null relation. Null relation. And this A cross B is called as universal relation. Universal relation. Right? So this is about relation. So relation is what? Relation is a subset of A cross B. Here there are specific names. This A is called as domain of R. R means the name of the relation. Domain of relation R. And this B is called as codomain of R. Okay, students. So this is now all the students, let us work on some questions of exercise 2.1. All please get ready with exercise 2.1. Easy it is, but let us see some questions. One more thing, that some students ask that what questions should be solved in the notebook. So let me make it very clear that from NCERT textbook of mathematics in 11th class, whatever it is, every question, all the questions of exercise, miscellaneous exercise, miscellaneous examples also, they are very nice examples. These all are to be solved in the notebook. Apart from that, if from other reference books, if you want to do some questions, that can be done. Even I also will give you some more questions, so that can be done. But first thing is NCERT textbook questions. All NCERT textbook questions must be solved in the notebook, because if you don't solve NCERT questions properly and solve anything else, you will not feel confident. You will feel confident once your minimum work is complete, right? So completing NCERT questions is the minimum thing to be done. So please solve it properly, and after that, when you find the need, that more questions can be solved. Let us see first question of exercise 2.1. They are asking you that if x plus 3, if the two ordered pairs they have given, if x by 3 plus 1, comma y upon 2 y minus 2 by 3 ordered pair is equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3, then find x and y, right? So you know well that when two things are same, two ordered pairs are same, yeah, the respective elements are mutually equal. So let us equate x by 3 plus 1 to 5 by 3, and then you'll get x plus 3 equal to 5 and x equal to 2, and similarly y minus 2 by, you just equate them, because if two ordered pairs are equal, their first elements will be equal and their second elements will be equal separately, isn't it? This and this, they both will be equal. So y is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, I think 1. Is this the right answer? Yeah, many people have already written that this is the right answer. Nice. Now let us see another question, question number 2. Question number 2 says that if set A has 3 elements, n of A is equal to 3, and set B has the elements 3, 4, 5, okay, then find out the number of elements in A cross B. Already many people are started answering that yes, 9 elements. 9 is this? Yeah, this is containing 3 elements, and n of A cross B equal to NA into NB. 3 into 3. Very right, absolutely. 6 किसने लिखा? प्रवेद 6. अरे नहीं, 3 into 3 है ना, ऐसे. Then next is third question. They are asking, they have given G, they have given H. They are asking you find out G cross H. Please find it yourself. I hope it should be easy for you. And H cross G also they are asking. So that also please find out. Fourth question, let us see. Fourth question is saying that state whether the following is true or not. Let us see. 1 minute. Fourth question is that state whether followings are true or not. If it is false, rewrite the correct statement. The first part is P is equal to set of M comma N and Q is equal to set of N comma M. Then they are saying P cross Q is equal to MN comma NM. तो पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि P क्रॉस Q में एलिमेंट्स कितने होने चाहिए? P क्रॉस Q में एलिमेंट्स तो 4 होने चाहिए ना, 2 into 2 4 है ना, 4 होने चाहिए. और यहाँ पे तो एलिमेंट्स एक ही एलिमेंट और एक ही एलिमेंट, 2 ही ऑर्डर पेयर, तो ये फॉल्स है ना, इसमें क्या है, तो फॉल्स है. और कह रहे हैं कि फॉल्स हो तो P क्रॉस Q भी लिखो, P क्रॉस Q लिख देते हैं. P क्रॉस Q विल बी P क्रॉस Q, करेक्ट लिख लो आप, सारे कॉम्बिनेशन लिख लो, MN MM NN and NM, है ना. So it's simple, right? Good. Now let us see some more questions. Second part, if A cross B is non-empty set of ordered pairs X and Y, if A and B are non-empty, then A cross B will also be non-empty. Of course, we saw the example while discussing Cartesian product. If A contains something, B contains something, A cross B also will have something. It will not be an empty set, right? I think second part is right, right, students? Then if you can write in live chat if some particular question needs to be discussed, that you can write in the live chat. Right. Question number 5th, any doubt? 4th also, all the third part also I feel you can do. 5th question, have a look please. 5th question, they are saying let A is equal to, there are 2 elements, right? Is it closed interval? No, it is a curly bracket. Braces, -1, 1, then find A triple product we have to find out. A cross A cross A. Right, so I would suggest that first you find A cross A, then go for triple product. So A cross A means -1, 1, the cross product with -1, 1, and that will have 4 elements, -1, -1, -1, 1, 1 minus 1, and 1, 1. And then you find A cross A cross A, and yeah. And the theorem will be valid for 3 sets also, right? So you can write a theorem that number of elements in A cross B cross C will be NA into NB into NC, है ना? So A cross A, what you have to do in this ordered pair, on the third place, one more place you make. On the third place, you have two choices, either -1 or 1 to be written. You attach. So -1, -1, comma -1 or -1, comma 1. इसका हो गया. Then similarly, -1, 1, -1 or -1, 1, 1. इसका भी हो गया. Like this, right? You can write all ordered pairs. And total you have already written. Satyanarayan Bairwa has written full. Good, very good. It is too much lengthy answer. नहीं Edwin, too much lengthy नहीं है. थोड़ा सा ही है, आ जाएगा. You should write in full. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8 order triplets we will call triplets. These are triplets. So 8 triplets will come. Okay. I hope you can write it easily. Okay. Okay. Now the other question, 6th question also, 6th, 7th. These are easy questions. Time also getting over for me. I would request you all that, my dear students, it is the time for me to conclude this class. Please complete the remaining questions yourself, and I liked discussing the things with you. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.